In today's video, we're going to explore the steps to successfully transition into the exciting world of tech. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to switch careers, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. Step 1. Explore the tech landscape. There are various tech-related fields, such as programming, cybersecurity, data analysis, web development, and UX design. The first thing you should do is research and familiarize yourself with the different tech fields available. This will help you identify your interests and strengths. Read articles, watch videos, and join online communities to get a feel for what each field entails. Step 2. Identify your passion and set goals. Now that you have a better understanding of the tech landscape, it's time to identify your passion. What area of tech excites you the most? Is it coding? Cybersecurity? Web development? Once you know your passion, set specific and achievable goals. For example, you could aim to learn the basics of programming in 3 months or build your first website in 6 months. Step 3. Connect with industry professionals. Networking is crucial in the tech industry. Attend tech events, meetups, and conferences in your area. Engage with professionals on social media platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. Building connections with people already working in tech can provide valuable insights, mentorship opportunities, and potential job leads. Step 4. Develop your skills. To transition into tech, you'll need to acquire relevant skills. Fortunately, there are numerous resources available online. Websites like Codecademy, Coursera, and Udemy offer courses on various tech topics. You can also find tutorials and documentation on YouTube and tech blogs. Remember to practice what you learn by working on projects and building a portfolio. Step 5. Gain practical experience. To boost your chances of success, gain practical experience by working on real-world projects. Offer your services to nonprofit organizations or local businesses that may need tech assistance. You can also contribute to open-source projects, join hackathons, or create your own personal projects. Practical experience will enhance your skills and make you stand out to potential employers. Step 6. Job search and preparation. It's time to find your dream tech job. Start by updating your resume to highlight your relevant skills and projects. Create a compelling cover letter that showcases your passion and motivation. Explore job boards, company websites, and professional networking platforms. Leverage your connections from Step 3 to find job openings. Remember to prepare for interviews by practicing common tech interview questions. Step 7. Embrace continuous learning and celebrate your success. Congratulations! You've successfully transitioned into tech, but the learning doesn't stop here. Embrace continuous learning as the tech industry is constantly evolving. Stay up to date with industry trends, attend workshops, and consider pursuing certifications to enhance your skills. And most importantly, celebrate your achievements along the way. That's it for today's video on Tech Transitions Made Easy. Remember, transitioning into tech is an exciting journey that requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. Stay motivated, be patient, and enjoy the process. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Good luck on your tech journey, and see you next time.